Welcome to week 10. So, this is a unique week. Group B actually has the week off. So, they can work on their research paper, they can work on their community resource presentations. But Group A, you are continuing from last week. So, last week you had to upload your presentation. Now, this week you need to reply to at least 3 students. So, let's go through those details. So this is the week 10 video, so let's start with the week 10 instruction. Okay, so as I mentioned, group B, you are replying to group members, and I'm sorry, group A is replying to group members, and group B, you have the week off. Again, I would recommend utilizing that time to work on assignments. So group A, you need to access the Community Resource Notebook discussion forum, and you can do that one of 2 ways. You can go back to the week 9 module and access it from there, or in the top right corner of our class page, which I'll show you right here. So I went to our class page, and here is the discussions forum. And again, you would scroll down and find the the community resource, which I'm not assigned to a group, so that's why I don't see it. Okay, let's go back to the instructions. All right, so you went to one of these 2 places to find the discussion, and now you're going to choose 3 presentations from your group. Again, please try to make sure everyone has a response. If you have the option of choosing someone who already has a response or someone who does not, please choose the person who does not have a response because I'm sure all of you would like to get some feedback. So what needs to be in each of your replies to your classmates? Well, I have 3 questions for you to respond to. You can copy and paste the questions and, put your answers there. You can just answer in complete sentences. You can answer by number, or again, you can record yourself in terms of giving your feedback. So the first part is, what was your favorite community resource that was presented from that student and why? What was a resource you had never considered of or heard of before? And again, if that's not really the case for you, was there a resource that you didn't really recognize or did not have a lot of experience with? What was a positive takeaway from the student's presentation? Did you like their background? Did you really love their photos? Were they very clear in the way they spoke or how they presented the material? So again, we want to give them some kind of positive takeaway. So, Group A, again, in order to get your participation credit for this week, week 10, you have to complete the responses to group members. Now, I also provide information for both groups. So, Group A, your mini research paper is due next week. So, again, we talked in class about the paper on week 9, but now it's time to really get into writing the paper. So, here are the instructions and the video. Now, Group B, again, you're working on your community resource presentation. So, here's a video about that. They're due next Sunday for Group B. Here's the instructions, here's a sample, and here are different ways that you could record your community presentation. Okay, so that is the end of week 10. Again, we are not covering any chapters this week. We are concentrating on the community resource presentations and working on upcoming assignments. As always, email me with any questions. Thank you.